Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to run Selenium in IntelliJ. First, ensure you have IntelliJ IDEA and a Java development kit installed on your system. Next, create a new Maven or Gradle project within IntelliJ. You will then need to add the necessary Selenium WebDriver dependencies to your project's POM, XML, or build Gradle file. Finally, configure your project structure to ensure all components are correctly recognized for seamless development. Now, let's write a basic Selenium test. Begin by importing the essential Selenium classes into your Java test file. Then, initialize a WebDriver instance, such as Chrome driver or Firefox driver, for the browser you wish to automate. Use the WebDriver to navigate to a specific URL. Finally, locate various web elements on the page using different strategies and perform actions like clicking buttons or entering text into input fields. Running and debugging your Selenium tests in IntelliJ is straightforward. You can execute your test directly from the IDE by right-clicking the test file or method. To debug, set breakpoints at specific lines of code where you want to pause execution. When the test runs, it will stop at these points, allowing you to inspect variable values and step through your code line by line, which is invaluable for troubleshooting and understanding test flow. For more robust and maintainable test automation, consider advanced practices. Implement the page object model to create a clear separation between test logic and page elements, improving readability and reusability. Integrate with test frameworks such as TestNG or JUnit to manage test execution, assertions, and reporting. Efficiently manage browser drivers, perhaps using a tool like WebDriver Manager. Finally, integrate your Selenium tests into continuous integration pipelines for automated execution with every code change.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.